Oh, artist block. Something that we as artists go through on the daily. Hi guys, it's Shanty here from Shanty Draws, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my way on how to get out of artist block. I'm sure many of you have heard of the draw first thing that comes to your mind theory, but this is kind of my take on it, and it kind of revolves around Pinterest. We're going to start off by drawing the first thing that comes up on our Pinterest feed, and we'll go from there. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. So once we've successfully finished drawing our first image on Pinterest, we're going to think of what that makes us think of, and we're going to type that into Pinterest. Then after that, we're just going to find an image from that catches our eye, and we're going to draw that, and we're just going to continue that until you think you have enough images. And once you're done with that, we are now going to start making a little tiny thumbnail using the words that we have thought of with our little tiny doodles, and we're going to see what we can make out of that. And as I mentioned later on in this video, you can take those words literal or you can take them figuratively, but for the purpose of this video, I'm taking them literal. Hey guys, so yesterday this is where we left off at as far as beating artist block goes, and today we are going to be finishing this little drawing right here.
So I have this book, Fashion Design Studio by Chris Hart, and there's lots of pose references in here, and so I'm kind of going to go off of that for our drawing.
thinking she works at an ice cream shop. And obviously I'm taking all the stuff from this page quite literal, but you could also just take it however you want. You could do it in a figurative way or literal way, I guess, English. Okay. But I am doing it literally. Okay. So she has like a shoulder length purple afro. I'm trying to see if I can match that same shape. 4. I feel like this side up a little bit too far, so yeah, okay. I'm gonna adjust the other side accordingly. Alright, got that, and now her eyes and her nose. And those amethyst style lips from Steven Universe. And her eyes. This is significantly smaller, so it's a little bit trickier to get everything right. But we get the idea. I'm just gonna leave that like that. Okay, now we're gonna just have a little logo right here. There we go. Simple, but we get the idea. So, now we have a new character, and now, technically, we are, out of artist block. We've successfully completed this little profile right here, and yeah, we can go on to doing a final full size, or we can just leave it with this right here, and I'm actually quite happy with just that right there. I might go on to do a final one later, but for the purpose of this video, I think you guys get the idea. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!